Hey everyone, it's Dan. Welcome back to the Rumpus Room, where we talk audio gear and long-term impressions. Today we're looking at 5 great last-minute Christmas gift ideas for that vinyl lover in your life, or yourself. No judgment here. I have no affiliation with these products other than using them for the past few years. Let's start with something simple but incredibly useful: the stable 33 1/3 Platter dust cover. Most turntables or vinyl collect dust faster than we can collect those records. And a clean platter means fewer pops, less static, and way less time brushing things off. This cover keeps the platter and or your vinyl clean between spins and looks great doing it. One of those gifts people don't think about but immediately appreciate. Next up is the 33 1/3 vinyl center hole reamer. If you've ever tried dropping a record onto the spindle and it just won't slide down, this is the fix. A tiny precise tool that gently widens tight center holes so the record sits perfectly flat. One of those "wow, I should have bought this years ago" accessories. Number 3, for anyone who swaps out records often or wants a safer way to handle vinyl during cleaning, the Stable Transit 33 1/3 Platter is one of those deceptively simple accessories that quickly becomes indispensable. Made with a real wood veneer top, it gives you a sturdy, clean surface to rest your vinyl during disc changes or cleaning. There are 2 options to choose from, one made of Delrin and the other constructed from stainless steel. The base has a 5mm felt pad to protect surfaces, and the whole thing is compact, approximately 4 inches in diameter and about 1.5 inches in thickness. And it's handmade in Canada. Number 4, now on to cleaning. The Big Fudge Record Care System is a great all-in-one solution. Brushes, solution, microfiber, the works. Perfect for beginners or anyone building their cleaning routine. Clean records equal less noise, better tracking, and longer stylus life. Easy win. Number 5, and finally one of the classics, the Spin Clean Record Washer. Affordable, proven, and honestly one of the most effective manual cleaning systems out there. If someone in your life has a growing collection but hasn't cleaned half of it yet, this is a game changer. And yes, you can absolutely hear the difference. So there you go, 5 gifts any vinyl enthusiast will love. From protection to cleaning to those little tools that solve big annoyances. I'll leave you the link to the Stable 33 1/3 website below. The Big Fudge cleaning kit and the Spin Clean can be found on, you guessed it, Amazon. If you've used any of these, drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for hanging out in the Rumpus Room. See you in the next one, and keep those records spinning.